Welcome to Investing for Beginners. Now, if you're looking to learn all about money and investing, you're absolutely in the right place. I'm going to be sharing with you investing secrets from billionaire investors. People like this guy, Warren Buffett, known as the world's greatest investor. His net worth is over $71 billion. Or how about this guy, Ray Dalio? His net worth over $18 billion, and he has built the largest hedge fund in the world. Or what about this guy, Jack Bogle? Net worth over $180 million, and he is known for creating the index fund. Now, if you don't know what an index fund is yet, don't worry. We'll be going through all the basics in a free video series, and this is video number 1. Welcome to Investing for Beginners. Now, we are going to be looking at the what, the why, and the how. What exactly is investing? Why we should even be doing it? And then how does a complete beginner get started? So the first step in beginning investing is defining what exactly investing is. So quite simply, investing is using money to make more money. Now let me explain. There's actually 3 types of income. There's 3 ways in which people make money. The first is what we call earned income. And most people will have heard of this one because this is what you make in a job. So it doesn't matter what job it is. It could be a desk-based job, you could be a doctor, a builder. But with this income, when you go to work, you get paid. And there's pros and cons to every income. The pros of earned income is that it's fast. So as soon as you work for 1 month, at the end of the month, you get your paycheck and boom, you're making money. But the cons, unfortunately, it's the highest taxed income. So you're gonna lose a lot of your income to income tax. And also, because you are selling your time for money, if you don't work, then you don't get paid. Next type of income is passive income. And this could be income from rental properties or perhaps a business, and there's many types of businesses that you can own where other people might be running the business and you might be making the passive income. Pros and cons. Well, with passive income, it's a lower tax. You're going to be paying a lower tax rate on this type of income. And it also does lead to financial freedom, because if you can make more money passively than what you actually need to spend in a month, then technically you no longer have to work and you become financially free. The negatives is that it does take time to build passive income, and it also takes a higher financial IQ. Next up, portfolio income. Pros and cons. Well, with portfolio income, you're going to pay a lower tax rate. And this is how people like Warren Buffett can make millions and millions and millions and pay a lower tax rate than you. And it's because he doesn't pay income tax. He pays capital gains tax, which is a lower rate. And portfolio income is also a passive income. But with passive income, the negatives is that it does take time to build up and it does require a higher financial IQ. So why should we even invest? The why we should invest is probably quite simple, right? It's for this stuff. See, for many people, it's just about having more money or maybe financial freedom so they can enjoy their life a lot better. For others, it might be that they're worried about going into retirement without much money, so they're trying to invest to build up a good retirement. For others, it could be just the children. They want to give their children the best starting life. Well, I wish it really was this easy, but unfortunately, it's not. Okay, so let's move on to how. How does a beginner get started? How to get started? Well, you see, there's lots of different asset classes. We've got bonds, real estate, stocks, cash, gold, cryptocurrency. These are some of the most popular ones, so let's take a quick look at each one. First up is stocks, and basically this is one of the most popular asset classes that people get into, and it's where you own a very small percentage of the company's stocks. Bonds. What are bonds? Well, this is where you can actually become a money lender yourself. You can lend some of your money to big banks or governments or businesses and earn an interest payment off that. Real estate. So you could be buying some properties and renting them out as an investment, or you can do it through investment trusts. And this is where you pool your money with other investors that then own a portfolio of properties. Cash. So this is actually an asset class within itself. And sometimes when everything's going negative and things are crashing all around us and in a really bad economy, cash is the best place where you can be holding your money. Gold. So gold has a 5,000-year track record and lots of investors love it. It's also known as one of the safe haven asset classes. Cryptocurrency. So this is the new kid on the block and only been around for just over 10 years. In fact, we may have witnessed the birth of a brand new asset class. So this is when you start hearing things like Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these other blockchain investments. So with all these different asset classes, this is why you're going to need to learn how to build your own portfolio. Now, if you are just a brand new beginner starting out, you may only have cash at this point, and that's absolutely fine because you still have a portfolio. Your portfolio actually looks like this. So you would be 100% in cash. Now, over time, when you get more financial education and experience, we will be building this, a diversified portfolio. And this is where you own different asset classes at a different percentage. So now you may be thinking, okay, so what exactly is a diversified portfolio and how do I build one? Well, this is the topic of the next video, so stay tuned. So that brings us to the end of this first video in this series. In the next video, we're going to be looking at what exactly an investment portfolio is and how we actually build one. But for now, if you learned anything that you liked in this video, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel out and it'd be much appreciated. If you want to learn the latest in money and investing, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or comments, then post them below now. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.